All right, we're going to quickly go over these notes for arithmetic sequences. So before, with arithmetic sequences, you were given the sequence and told to find the first four terms. Now we're going to go ahead and do the opposite of that. So for this first one, we're going to create a table of values. Our example is 1, 3, 5, and 7. So if I made a table based off of this, my first term would be 1, my second term would be 3, my third term would be 5, and my fourth term would be 7. So I'm going to write those right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, because those are my terms. And then 1, 3, 5, and 7, those are my outputs down here, up here, okay? So now we need to find the common difference. So remember, finding the common difference is how much is it changing by every single time. Well, this looks like it's plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So my common difference is 2. Okay, so these are acting like points, like 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, and 4, 7. So because of that, this is now turning into a linear function. And if I have a table, I can go ahead and create my linear function in slope-intercept form. So we have y equals mx plus b, okay, just as to find the nth term, okay? So to find any sort of term in this sequence, well, if it's changing by 2 every single time, that means my slope or my rate of change would be 2. So this is y equals 2x. The downside is I don't know where I would start. And actually, that's how we're going to look at these ones down here too. So to start, remember my b is when the y value is 0 or the x value is 0. So I have to back this up one spot because that would give me my 0th term. And so if I subtract 2 from this, this is negative 1. So the function for this, y equals 2x minus 1. In number 2, it says the sequence of numbers. A1 is negative 6. So I'm going to go ahead and write 1 and negative 6. A2 and negative 8. A3 and negative 10. A4 and negative 12. Okay, now again, I'm going to find my common difference. How much is this changing by every single time? This went down 2, this went down 2, this went down 2. So my slope right here is negative 2. And again, to find this as a function, I need this, which is this 0 term. So if I back this up by 1, or by 2, excuse me, which it would be negative 4. Because negative 12, negative 10, 8, 6, 4. This last one gives it to you in function notation, which is perfectly fine. It tells you f2 is 8. So I'm actually going to jump to this part right here, f2 and 8, f3 and 13, f4 and 18. Now I need to figure out what is it at the first term. So how much is this changing by each time? To go from 8 to 13, that's 5. 13 to 18, that's 5 again. So I have to back up by 5. That would be 3. So my rate of change is 5. And if I back it up to 0, this would be 3 minus 5, which would actually give you negative 2. And that would allow us, if they wanted to know like the 30th term or something like that, that would allow us, if they wanted to know, hey, What's the 30th term? I would take 5 times 30, which is 150, minus 2, which is 148. So now we figured out arithmetic sequence when they give us the information, how to build the first 4 terms, and now we've been able to do the reverse, where if they give us the terms, how to build the equations from them. And that's your notes on arithmetic sequences and writing the equations for them when you're given the sequence.